Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to download video using mobile data on Netflix on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First, go ahead and open Netflix application on your device. Then here select your profile. After that, click on My Netflix, and then you can press three line at the top right corner. And then select App Settings. And then to download video using mobile data, here you can turn off this option. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to download video using mobile data on Netflix on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.